Welcome to version 1.5 of Natural Poog Tools. First, let's talk about the Height Cull function. In older versions, performing culling based on height was quite cumbersome, as shown in the screenshot. The PCG is obscured by the tree trunks above it, after being projected onto the mesh. But I only want PCG to generate objects in the area below the red line. No meshes are generated above the red line. Now we check Height Cull. Adjust Max Height Cull. Then you will see the mesh stop scattering at the height you set. It's very convenient to customize the height you need. However, there is one thing to note. If the value is set to high, the grid on the ground will still be obscured by the tree trunks above. This feature is in the mesh group. Each mesh group can use its own configured RGB channels for filtering. They can also adjust their respective texture UVs. This function can be used to simulate simple biological communities. Now let's take a look at the demonstration. I set all the mesh groups to different categories. At the same time, their density was increased for demonstration purposes. If you are not satisfied with the texture, you can even replace it with a texture you created yourself. This is a simple and practical function. Normally, when you move a PCG blueprint, the static mesh will be regenerated. If you find certain randomly generated combinations to be satisfactory and want to keep them, you can uncheck Auto Refresh. This will prevent PCG blueprints from refreshing automatically. No matter where you move it, run it live, or restart your project, it will not change its state. When using SD-Line, vines do not need to be connected in some cases, but this may cause visual problems. So I added the Generate Vine Model feature to it. When Generate Vine Model is enabled, a model will be created at the location of the spline. By adjusting the parameters, you can increase the number of vines, adjust their spacing, droop rate, etc. If you want it to be more exaggerated, you can increase the diameter and then adjust the diameter contrast. It will then become uneven in thickness. If the PCG generates incorrect positions, you can click the refresh button to correct them. Thank you for watching this update. If you find it useful after your purchase, please leave me a 5-star review on the product page. Any feedback or suggestions? Feel free to contact me. Your valuable opinions will help improve the product.